Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm Friha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is add and subtract intervals of time in hours and minutes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to add and subtract interval of time in hours and minutes with carrying and borrowing. So here we are going to solve some examples for you guys. One example will be of addition and another example will be of subtraction. So right now the first example is here for you guys. Add 1 hour 45 minutes and 3 hours 35 minutes. So this means that the first step will be we are going to add minutes. Okay, minutes to minutes means that 45 minutes plus 35 minutes will give you what? Will give you 5, 5, 10. One carry will go over there on number 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 8. So we have final answer 80 minutes. So right now this means that the number of minutes is more than 60. Whenever we have number of minutes more than 60, what we do? We just break it down into 60 and the other one. So here we have 60 plus what? Or we, in other words, you can say that we are going to subtract it what? From it we are going to subtract 60. So right now I have the number of minutes 80 minutes, which will be 60 plus 20 minutes, which will finally be 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. As you already know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So I'm going to change this 60 minutes into 1 hour, and this 20 with plus sign, I'm going to write it down without plus symbol. So right now my final answer is 1 hour 20 minutes. For 20 minutes, I have to use this abbreviation small m, I and n. Minutes. Okay, so right now the step number 2 is write 20 in the minutes of column and carry 1 to the hour. Okay, why? Because I have 1 hour. This 1 hour means that I have two sections over here, hour and minute section. So these two sections means I have minutes. How many minutes I have? 20 minutes. Plus I have one more thing, that is 1 hour, means that here I have 1 hour and 3 minutes in the question. So I am going to write it down like this in vertical way. Here it is, this one. So I am going to write 1 hour 45 minutes, 3 hour and 35 minutes. So this 45 and 35 minutes are going to give me 1 hour and 20 minutes. So right now what to do? We are going to write 20 here, one carry will go up as this one is hour 1, hour section. Okay, so right now 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So I have my final answer, which is 5 hours and 20 minutes. So you are going to get it well, because I'm going to say that, so 1 hour 45 minutes plus 3 hours and 35 minutes is equals to 5 hours and 20 minutes. So I have done this one in my 3 steps. You can have a look on it, and I hope this procedure is fine and okay with you guys, because whenever we are going to do addition, we are going to add minutes, the smaller quantity first. So that is why we did it in the first step. Then in the second step we have just combined the hour section, and finally in third step we have done addition. Now my dear students, what next? The next thing is subtract 5 hours 45 minutes from means this is the bigger number, from 8 hours 8 minutes. So right now we have two sections over here, hour and minute section. So step number 1, 45 minutes cannot be subtracted from 8. So step number 2 is borrow 60 from 1 hour from our column. So add in 8 to get that number, 8 minutes. To get this number, what? 60 plus 8 will give you 68. So right now I have my total number of minutes, that is 68. Now I will subtract 68 from this number 45. Instead of doing it separately as ones and tens, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to consider this one by doing subtraction of minutes first. Okay, so how can I do it? I can just take a borrow, and that borrow will be equals to 1 hour, means 60 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to regroup it as I already told you that we do it in whole number chapter, but there we have tens, here we have 60. Okay, do remember that, because this is very important point over here. So 60 plus 8 is 68, minus 45 is 23. So I have finally 23 over here. Now because I have taken one carry from the number 8, so and write the number 7. Now 7 minus 5 is 2, which is simple and easy. Which one is the third step? Okay, so right now I have my final answer. 8 hour 8 minutes minus 5 hour 45 minutes is equals to 2 hour 23 minutes. I hope this procedure is okay with you guys. Do practice it at home so that you will be mastering it. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.